पादमर्दनं वयोदानाभिसारादिभिः वृन्दारनं महेश्वरीं प्रियतया जप्तौसन्ति प्रिया प्राणपृष्ठसखी कुलादपि संकुचिता भूमिका केली भूमिषु मुखस्तद्दासिका संश्रये। जो तांबूल प्रदान करना है, तांबूल प्रदान करना, पैर दबाना, जल देना और उपचार कराना आदि कार्यों के द्वारा प्रेम पूर्वक श्रीमती राधिका को नित्य संतुष्ट रखती है। उन प्राण श्रेष्ठ सखियों की अपेक्षा सेवा कार्य में असंकोच भाव को प्राप्त हुई श्रीमती राधिका जी की रूपमंजरी प्रमुख सेविकाओं को मैं आश्रय ग्रहण करती हूँ। तांबूलार्पण दुहार चरणमर्दन जुग पयोदान विसार दासी सेवा धन। श्री राधा की सखियां 5 प्रकार की होती है। इनमें प्राण सखी एवं नित्य सखियों की सेवा सर्वोपरि होती है। निवृत्त निकुंज विहार में जब श्री राधा कृष्ण आनंद विहल को विवश हो जाते हैं तब मंजरियों का ही असंकोच रूप में प्रवेश होता है तथा समस्त सेवा प्रदान करती है। इस श्लोक में श्री रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी मंजरियों की किस प्रकार संकोची असंकोच रूप में राधा
Hare Krishna, am I audible to you? Hari Bol, Shri Radhe.
वे ललिता विशाखादि के आदिपुरुषा सेवा करती हैं। ललिता विशाखादि सखियों का प्रवेश भी रूप रति मंजिलों के माध्यम से ही होता है। साधारण रूप में
In general way, these manjaris,
राधा जी को सेवा जो करती हैं,
so those are the servicing Srimati Radhika.
ललिता विशाखा के अंदर
So they are serving under the guidance of Lalita and Vishakha. So what is the speciality in Manjari's bhav? When Yugal Kishore, Shri Radha Krishna. In the Nivritta Nikunj, then Lalita and Vishakha and other Sakhis, they can only enter under the by the permission of Manjaris. For the designation, Pranapeshtakis are topmost, but if for the tendency of service on or in a service mode, Manjaris are topmost. There is a so one is the designation of Sakhiya. So Lalita Vishakha, they are the topmost in Sakhis in the designation. There are 5 kinds of Sakhis of Srimati Radha. Sakhi, Nitya Sakhi, Pran Sakhi, Pranapriya Sakhi or Pranapeshta Sakhi. So the Pranapesh Sakhis, these all are Lalita Vishakha. So according to designation they are topmost, but according to the tendency of service or the serving mode, Manjaris are topmost. Nitya Sakhi or Prana, Nitya Sakhi and Prana Sakhi, those are Manjaris. They are called Manjaris. So in the Nikunj, Radha in the Nikunj one where Radha and Krishna doing Bihar and Leelas, so Manjaris can enter there without any permission. They can independently go out. Krishna also entering into that kunja, he is praying for the manjaris. So he is not doing the pray before the Lalita and Vishaka. They are praying before the manjaris for entering in the kunja. That's why it is saying
Nabbam dibbam kabbam sapitam atulam nadakapulam Raheli gurartham sati ruchira vinadhani vinadhani gati Kadasmihu lasul lalita lalita prerna balat Falajja gandharva sarasa priti
Jai. When I will get this kinds of fortune, that by the request of Srimati Lalita Devi and Srimati Radhika,
तथा मुक्षण आदि से युक्त बिना वादन की शिक्षा देंगे ये समस्त वर्णन किया सप्त नाटकार नव्वका पतति गुरात पहले दिव्य बिना रोगति ललितार अनुरदे स्नेह उल्लासे कवे सलज्ज गंधर्वा मुनि निहित सिखाइए कितना सुंदर सेवा अभिमान.
So these all are kinds of very nice of tendency to service ego.
दास गोस्वामी को रघुनाथ दास जी का स्वरूप दामोदर जी हाथ में अंकित किया था. स्वरूप दामोदर ब्रजला की ललिता से तथा उनकी अनुगत्य में श्री राधा की पालदकियां जीवन सेवा की शिक्षा प्राप्त करती है तथा सेवा सुधा को प्राप्त कराती है. श्रीमान महाप्रभु श्री राधा भाव में विभावित है. श्री दास गोस्वामी जी उनकी सेवा की अभिलाषा हृदय में धारण कर श्री गोस्वामी पाद की चरण रोज में अपने अभिष्ट प्राप्ति की विज्ञप्ति कर रहे हैं. सेवा को यदि नाना प्रकार की शिल्पकला शिक्षा में निपुणता प्राप्त करना है, उसी शिक्षा के लिए ललिता सखी रुचि मंजरी का हस्त धारण कर राधा जी के चरण सेवा में संलग्न कर निवेदन करते हैं. राधे यह अनुपम लावण्यमयी सुंदरी आपकी चरण सेवा के लिए परम युक्त है. Lalita
Devi, so what she do with all the sakhis, she give the training. And when they become experts in the service, then Lalita Devi, what she does? So then she engage all the sakhis into the service of Shri Radha Rani.
उसी शिक्षा के लिए ललिता सखी श्री रुचिमन जी का वस्त्र धारण कर राधा की चरण सेवा में संलग्न निवेदन करती है. हे राधे, यो अनुपम लावण्यमयी सुंदरी आपकी चरण सेवा के परम योग्य है. देखो,
so Raghunath Das Goswami, who is Rati Manjari, so when he met with Mahaprabhu in Jagannath Puri, so what Mahaprabhu did? Swarup Damodar. So Mahaprabhu given his hand to the Swarup Damodar. Swarupe Damodar, Swarupe Raghu. Then at that time his name becomes Swarupe Raghu. So what's the meaning here actually? Mahaprabhu, when he was observed in Radha Bhav,
और स्वरूप दामोदर
and the Saru Damodar is a Lalita Sakhi.
तो रघुनाथ दास गोस्वामी के जितने भी शिक्षा आदि है
So,
ये कौन प्रदान करेगा?
Lalita Sakhi.
स्वरूप दामोदर।
So Saru Damodar will give all the training to Raghunath Das Goswami. So that's why Mahaprabhu handed over to Raghunath Das Goswami to Saru Damodar. So hey Raghu, you get the knowledge, and when you will be matured in all kinds of services, then you can engage in my service. Yeah, then you can do my service very nicely.
तो इसी प्रकार यह पर भी कहा है।
So in this way here it is also saying,
जब ललिता देवी समस्त मंजियों का भक्त धारण कर राधा जी के चरण सेवा में संलग्न निवेदन करती है, हे राधे, यह अनुपम लावण्यवती सुंदरी आपकी चरण सेवा के लिए परम सत्य है। यह श्रवण कर ललिता जी ईसात लज्जित होकर सचमुच लज्जित होकर सुमधुर भाषा में अपने हृदय में आलिंगन कर करुणावादी से रुक्मिणी को सिद्ध कराती। परम मनोज्ञ ललिता देवी की प्रेरणा से गांधर्विका से राधा अत्यंत स्नेह से आह्लादित हृदय से काव्य, बीनाबद्ध वादन, नाटक, पहेली आदि की शिक्षा प्रदान करती है। देखो कैसे ललिता देवी कौन शिक्षा आदि प्रदान।
so what kind of lesson Lalita Devi used to teach to all the Sakhis?
सब हृदय के जाने वाले
Manogya.
जानने वाले।
Manogya means who is knowing the heart of all the Sakhis.
अत्यंत स्नेह से आह्लादित हृदय से काव्य, बीनाबद्ध वादन, नाटक, पहेली आदि को शिक्षा प्रदान करती है।
So Lalita Devi teaches these kinds of lessons like music, dance and playing the veena, like this. So she used to teach these kinds of things to all the Sakhis.
राधा ललिता के पूर्णतः वशीभूत है।
Shri Radha is completely controlled by Lalita Sakhi.
ऐसे ललिता देवी कहती है,
So whatever Lalita Devi used to say, so Radha ji has to follow that.
ललिता अष्टक में
That's why in the Lalita Ashtak, Rup Goswami Pad written,
रुद्रेव इंद्र तनयो सुरुष्ट ब्राह्मण मां दक्षिणा भव कलंकिनी लाभ पाए। जब राधा जी मान कर और मानिनी को मान मनाने के लिए कृष्ण राधा के चरण में क्या करती है? आपको जो विगति प्रार्थना करती है।
when Radha ji was got man and she was in the Nikunj one, so Krishna was coming outside to the Nikunj and he is praying so humbly and rubbing his nose on the ground before the Lalita Devi. He was doing like this. So when Lalita Devi see this kinds of praying of Shri Krishna, so Lalita Devi's hearts got melted.
किंतु ललिता देवी अंगुली उठा करके कौन सा अंगुली? बड़ा अंगुली,
Index finger.
ये उंगली है ना, ये उंगली बहुत है।
So your index finger, it's
ये उंगली यदि बड़ा हो,
if it is so big,
तो वो शासक बनता है। शास्त्र में ऐसे सामुद्रिक विज्ञान में ऐसे लिखा है। क्या बोला? आप अपने उंगली देखो, यह उंगली,
if this finger, if your index finger is bigger than ring finger and middle finger, then you will be the ruler, shashak. You will control. One is Kanishk,
और ये रिंग फिंगर है,
then is ring finger, then Madhyama, then index,
और ये अनामिका का है,
index, and this is thumb.
उंगली का है।
So if your index finger is bigger than 3, then you will be a ruler.
पर हम लिखा था ये अनामिका कार्य थे और कनिष्ठ मूल के बाद जो है ये अनामिका कार्य ये तर्जनी और ये तर्जनी कार्य
This is called tarjani. This one.
तर्जा करते हैं ये तर्जनी जोड़ी
So if your this tarjani finger, the index finger, it is greater than the 3, then you will be a ruler. So it is mentioned in Samudrik Vigyan, where we talk about the body's parts and senses, what kinds of body parts will be in which shape. So there are 32 kinds of symptoms of Mahapurush, the great persons. So it is described in that Samudra Grantha. So those are the Mahapurush, 32. So they must have 32 qualities. If somebody doesn't have 32 qualities, then so Mahaprabhu had 32 kinds of all the symptoms, the qualities. When you read the Chaitanya Bhagavat, you will come to know. It is mentioned the Chaitanya Bhagavat that Chaitanya Mahaprabhu had, according to Samudrik Vigyan, he has this 32 qualities or symptoms. Just like Ajanulambit. If your hand is below than your knee, then your hand might like Mahaprabhu. Stand up and stand up. Your eyes must be so long. Patol no. क्या? Patol means parmal. So in the lockdown, in the Chaturmas, we are not able to eat patol, the parmal. We don't. Do you eat parmal? So it is easily available in the market. Didn't you eat that? Why? You should eat that. After Chaturma, everybody has to eat parmal. Are Maharaji, the seeds of parmal is so tight. I have seen that in the mart many people used to make the parmal sabji. No. You have seen in the market, that is kakor. Yes, line C. So there is a line on the parmal little bit. So you can buy from the market. I will buy from the market for you. It is very soft. Sometimes in the corner in the market you can see and you can buy. So according to him, the parmal seeds is so tight. Beach. If the parmal seed is so much ripe, then it will become so tight. Because I used to do farming in my house. So the parmal's root is so poisonate. So if you take the roots of the parmal, then all the stomach will be destroyed and you will be die. There is so much poison. So that's why be careful. You can eat parmal, but you cannot eat the roots of parmal. So the katha we were discussing about, we are coming to the katha now. So those are the Mahapurush. They have these kinds of 32 symptoms or qualities. And especially Mahaprabhu had 3.5 4 हाथ.
अपने
So,
हाथ में 4 हाथ 3 हाथ थे और महाप्रभु थे
so Mahaprabhu, by his hand, he was fourth hand. You can.
ये सब जो है एक हाथ माना जाता है
So Mahaprabhu was
महाप्रभु अपने हाथ में
four-handed, like means 4 hand long of his body.
जिसे कहा जाता है ना मैं मृत्यु के पश्चात
That's
आपको
why-
3 हाथ दिखा मिलेगा आधा जो 3.5 हाथ है ना वो भी कम कर देंगे आपको हैं? चलो कहते हैं
So generally people they are 3.5 of his hand, but Mahaprabhu was 4 of his hand, 4 long.
हम किस पर दिशा में जा रहे हैं ये तर्जनी
So this index finger.
ललिता देवी तर्जनी उठा के
So Lalita Devi raised up the index finger, index finger.
तो ललिता के जरूर होगा एक
So Lalita Devi must have long, according to Samudrik Vigyan. Samudri Vigyan, according to that, if somebody's index finger is bigger than the anamika, the ring finger, so he will be a ruler. और equal हो तो not auspicious. So according to the astrologer, one astrologer is sitting beside me, he is saying if somebody's index finger is so much taller than the ring finger, then he is not so much intelligent person. It is not auspicious. So when Krishna was pleading before Lalita ji, so Lalita ji said to Radha ji, "Hey Radha ji, do not be melted. This Krishna is Dhurt. Dhurt means he is very clever. So externally he is praying and pleading like this. He is rubbing his nose on the ground, but he is very Dhurt. He is very clever. So you keep your man. So do not manifest your Dakshin Bhav. Always manifest your Bambe Bhav. So this thief, this Dhurt, this cheater, this clever man is the cause of your kalank. So in this way Lalita Devi Shashan Karti. She is ruling upon the Radharani. So in the Lalita Ashtak it is mentioned very nicely. So here it is saying
रसधारा में कल्लोल धारा प्रवाह गति से नित्य नवायान रूप में तरंगित होती है। ये सब अपराध इस जगत में कैसे रसधारा की कल्लोल बाजी।
So in the transcendental world, how this kind of beautiful Rasdhara is flowing, just like the waves of the ocean is going up and down. So after doing this ups and downs, they are increasing the beauty of the ocean. कल्लोल धारा प्रवाह. So when all the waves, yes, so all the waves when touches each other, so whatever the sounds comes, so that is called the kallol. So once waves are coming ups and downs, and what happen when the waves are touching each other? So one wave is coming and one wave is going. So when they touching each other, So there is a sounds come. So that sound is called kalol.
जब तीर में जब
Hmm?
उठा तो शब्द होता है
Crushing,
ना,
crushing.
हाँ,
There is a sounds comes like kalol.
जैसे पूर्णिमा के समय
So at the time of Purnima, and there is so much clouds are there, and you if you go to Jagannath Puri,
इतना जोर
so you will feel so much. You will be scared there after seeing the sounds of all these, after hearing the sounds of all these kinds of waves. So that is kalol. When the waves of oceans touches each other, so whatever the sounds comes, that is called kalol. So people used to go to the ocean or Jagannath Puri, so they would like to see this only. How the beauty increases by the waves of the ocean. So ocean is all everywhere, but it's still this is the specialty in Jagannath Puri. The waves of ocean is so higher, so there is so much sounds comes at the night. Barpul. So when the whirlpools come, so there is a sounds come so loudly. We know. I remember when we used to go to Jagannath Puri with Gurudev. So at the bank of ocean we were. So there was one devotee. We used to live there at the bank of ocean. Their house was there. So Gurudev used to live upside, because they have 2-3 manzils stories building, and down on the first floor we used to live, and the second floor Gurudev used to live. Madhav Maharaj, me at the time we didn't take the sannyas. Maybe it is about the year in 94, 93, like something like this. So wow, the sounds was coming at the night. So much sound was there whole night. So we have heard of everything. So we have actually seen that all the scenario, that how kinds of dangerous form the ocean took. Whirlpools. So whirlpools in the oceans, we have seen. So it is also saying in the transcendental world, so in the Prem Rajya, all is describing by the eloquence words, the poetry words, kavya words.
काव्य के साथ ही राधा नाट्यकला, अभिनय तथा गुणार्थ प्रहरी की भी शिक्षा देती है। इस शिक्षा को उपयोग पारदर्शियां राधा विशुद्धि सिंगार रस की उद्दीपना के लिए कराती है। देखो पहले ललिता देवी से सीखा।
So first they have learned from Lalita Sakhi, and then we learn from Radha Sakhi what Lalita Devi taught.
शिक्षा प्राप्त करके जहाँ पर शिक्षा की कमी कहीं रह जाए और राधा जी।
So if there is something shortage or lacking in education from Lalita Sakhi, then Radha ji will fulfill that. Gurudev used to say, so Radha Rani is the principal of the Transcendental College, headmaster, senior teacher, head of the department. तो Lalita Radha ji होगी. So Lalita Devi is teaching everything, but sometimes principal also takes class. That what are you doing? If there is something shortage or lacking, so Lalita Radha Rani will complete that. So from there Lalita Devi taught the lesson, but when they are giving the exam before the Radha ji,
थोड़ी कमी रह जाता है
If there is something shortage or lacking,
तो
then Radha ji will fulfill that.
शिक्षा दी। इसके बाद में इन शिक्षा को सुजोग पालोदस्या राधा कुंड की श्रृंगार उसकी उद्दीपन के लिए ये समस्त शिक्षा में शिक्षित होकर के
So when completes in all kinds of lesson or teachings,
फिर जहाँ पर लीला विलास
so where Radha Krishnas are meeting each other,
उस लीला विलास में
so in that leelas, all these kinds of manjiriyas, they are expressing their bhav.
जैसे
Just like
गुरु से शिष्य सब कुछ सर्वत माने शिक्षा प्राप्त की
that the disciple always learn everything from Guru. Then Guru used to say that whatever you learn, please tell.
है शिष्य जब का
When disciple says,
कहीं कमी हो जाता है
when disciple says and he is saying something wrong still, so Gurudev will complete that. Gurudev will fulfill that.
गुरु परशुराम
So Bhishma Pitama's Guru Parshuram. Parshuram is the incarnation of Bhagwan.
मेरे साथ युद्ध करो
So he said to Bhishma Pitama, please fight with me.
बोले भीष्म पितामह ऐसे धनाधन युद्ध किया
And Bhishma Pitama fight
प्राप्त करते
so nicely that he defeated his Guru also.
महाभारत की कथा
So this is the Katha of Mahabharata.
वो अम्बा अंबिका अंबालिका
Amba, Ambika, Ambalika.
उनके तीन को बेटी को जो फर्क करके रहा
When Bhishma Pitama kidnapped these three ladies, Amba, Ambika, Ambalika.
बड़े विवाह कौन करेगा बड़े इनके साथ विवाह करा चित्र विचित्र ना क्या चित्रांगदा विचित्र
So Chitrangada and Vichitravidha.
ये विवाह करना नहीं था अम्बा ये बोले आपने जाइए आपकी जिद करो
So she said that you kidnapped me, now you have to marry with me. And Bhishma Pitama said, I have taken an oath that I will not get married.
मैं ब्रह्मचर्य
I am the brahmachari.
जीता थी
So that lady said that why you kidnapped me? It is not just the fruit of the tree that you have just plucked and distributing to everybody. No, you have kidnapped me now, so you have to marry me.
जाति थोड़ी ऐसी ही है तुमने जीता
So
समस्त राजाओं के
So you have defeated from amongst all the kings. So now you have to take care of me and you have to get married with me. So Bhishma said, no, I will not get married with you.
चले गए उनके गुरु के पास
So when he was so much suffering, so he
और राम के
went to his guru, to Parshuram, and he told all the scenario to Parshuram.
परशुराम आए
And Parshuram came.
बोले भीष्म
Parshuram said, Bhishma, you get married.
हैं? बोला, मैं शादी
So Bhishma Pitama said, no, I cannot get married because I have already taken an oath that I will be brahmachari.
तो प्रतिज्ञा करार किया तो दूसरे लड़की को हरण करके क्यों लाए
Then if you have taken an oath, then why you have kidnapped this lady? It is not the fruit of the tree that you have plucked from somewhere and you are distributing to everybody.
अपने जब आदि दिखा करके पराक्रम
So you have showed your bravery, your power, and you kidnapped her. Now you have to marry with her, and if you are not getting married with her, so you have to fight with me.
देखो गुरु शिष्य
So the Guru and disciples fighting each other,
भीष्म पितामह
and Bhishma Pitama and Parshuram,
परशुराम
they are fighting each other.
देखो उस युद्ध में भीष्म पितामह
So in that fight, Bhishma Pitama defeated his Guru Parshuram. So this is a very beautiful story in the Mahabharata. Maybe you have seen that. So what's my mean to say here? So Parshuram externally he is unsatisfied, but externally he is unsatisfied, but internally he is satisfied very nicely. So this is showing here. So in the same way, after taking the lesson from the Lalita ji, and then after getting all the taking all the lessons from the Radha ji, and many kinds of instruments has been taught. Then after being mature in all kinds of education or lessons, these manjaris goes to Nikunj for serving Radha and Krishna, and by playing so many kinds of instruments, Beena and something, so they are giving the enjoyments to all Radha and Krishna.
तो उसको देख करके स्वयं कृष्ण
So seeing that, Krishna was very happy.
कृष्ण भी कम नहीं है,
Krishna is not inferior. Krishna is very clever because he knows everything.
बात का जन्म से वो भी एक बात।
Krishna is also experts in all kinds of instruments.
जब ऐसे सुंदर
But when these kinds of manjari are playing these all kinds of instruments
भावों की व्यक्ति करते हैं,
and expressing their feelings,
तब स्वयं कृष्ण
so the Krishna himself
प्रसन्न होते हैं।
get pleased. Ah, very nice. Oh, very good. Wow, what a beautiful you have played. Very nice.
इस शिक्षा को उपयोग मैंने ललिता से सीखी, फिर राधा जी ने सीखा, फिर राधा जी ने सीख करके
First they have taught from Lalita Sakhi, then after that is there something lacking or shortage, they have completed or fulfilled by the Radha ji. And after being mature in all the instrument and all kinds of services, they goes to the Nikunj one for servicing Radha and Krishna.
हे विदग्धवर 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 सबसे श्रेष्ठ
Vidagdhavar means Shresh, the topmost, who is expert and all kinds of Shastra. Hey Vidagdhavar,
वृद्ध होकर के भी मोक्ष प्राप्त होता है। देखो क्या बता सकते हो, इसे कहते हैं प्रहेलिका।
this is called Pahelika.
प्रहेलिका में इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं?
Paheliya
प्रहेलिका प्रहेलिका शब्द का अर्थ होता है,
Paheliya means rhymes. पहेलियों को क्या बोलते हैं? पहेलियाँ क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश में? अरे वी शुड पहेलियाँ, अभी मुझे पता है पहेलियाँ का। हाँ नहीं, पजल्स बोलते हैं।
ठीक है, सखियां श्री कृष्ण के कहते हैं ये विदग्धवर,
All the Sakhis are saying to Krishna,
और वृद्ध होकर के बद्ध होकर भी मोक्ष प्राप्त होता है, शुद्ध होकर भी तमस्थानीय होता है। उनका नाम क्या है?
riddle.
उस समय कृष्ण बड़े
And what is puzzles?
सोचने लगता है, समझ में आया? पहले प्रश्न क्या किया?
So what was the first question?
बाल होकर भी वृद्ध है।
Who is Bal means little child.
चाहिए या बाल बाल का है, बाल में छोटा।
So Bal means the younger child, young child, little boy.
बाल होकर के भी वृद्ध है।
So who is little and still he is Bradha, and somebody who is conditions Baddha and he is liberated,
होकर भी तमस्थानीय होता है।
and who is so pure still he is tamas. Tamas means impious.
इनका नाम क्या है?
Whose name is that? Then Shri Krishna, he got so much confused,
सोच विचार कर
and after some time
हंसते हुए बोले,
thinking, he said,
हे किशोरी,
Hey Kishori,
आपके केस या बाल है?
these all your hairs. This is your hair.
बुलाने वाले
You have this curling hair. This is the answer.
केस के काटे में बाल काटे।
It is also called Bal.
का अर्थ
Bal means
नवीन भी काटे।
Bal also means new.
बाल सदा नवीन काटे।
So the hair always keep new.
जगत में किसी के बाल समझ नहीं।
So in that transcendental world, nobody's has the black, white hair. Everybody's hair is black there. Nobody grow older there, old age. So that's why everybody's hair is black
तो
there.
बाल कैसे रहता है?
So
सदा सर्वदा नवीन।
everybody's hair there is new, Naveen.
चंचल बालक के भांति
just like a little child.
है।
Huh?
इसे कहते हैं
Bal.
ये बाल बद्ध है, बाल ऊपर वृद्ध है।
New.
वृद्ध कैसे होता है?
So
है?
बहुत
जैसे
लंबा
वृद्ध हो जाने पर जैसे झुक जाता है।
जब anybody he becomes old, so he bend. So when our hair grows, so it becomes straight, and after getting long it becomes curling. Okay, it happens. Yes, it happens.
है? जैसे हम
Just like
बाल काट के
we have shaved our hair,
जब 2 महीने के बाद
but after 2 months,
बाल बड़ा हो जाए
so when the hair will be grow up,
धुंधलाले बाल हो जाए
so so our hair will be curling. So first is straight and then will be curled.
पहले तो सीधा ऊपर उठता है, सीधा ऊपर उठता है नहीं है? मुकुट के बाद और फिर बड़ा होने के बाद वो धुंधलाले बाल हो जाते हैं।
So when our hair grows,
लुढ़क करके
so it will be curling, just like the old person, he always walk in a bended way, he always bend when he grows up.
सीधे होते चलते हैं। और वृद्ध हो जाने से
So all the young child always goes straight, or he is straight, but when that boy becomes old, so he bend down. So in the same way
वृद्ध है
there is
और
a,
बद्ध होकर के भी मोक्ष होता है।
and who is the condition, so conditioned and still he is liberated.
बाल बद्ध कैसे होता है?
How the hair can be baddh.
बांध देता है ना।
So the ladies, they tied their hair, like a juda.
बाल बनना जानते हो?
Do you know how to tie the hair? Let's suppose that we are tying our shikha.
तो वो भी उसी प्रकार से
So in this way,
बनाते हैं, माताएं जानती हैं।
so ladies know every well they used to make the hairs juda.
तो इसलिए कह रहे हैं कृष्ण इसे कह रहे हैं,
So in this way, Krishna is saying,
शुद्ध होकर के भी तमस्तानी होता है। बाल जब शुद्ध कब रहता है? जब शरीर में हमारा
when the hair is in our head, so it is pure.
अब ये बाल हमारे
But when we shaved off it, so it will be impure.
शरीर से अलग हो जाए,
So when that hair will be separated from the body, so that is impious.
उनके कारण से बाल काटने के बाद उसे स्नान
So
करना
that's why it is said in the scriptures, impurious. That's why it is said in the scriptures that after shaving off your head, so you have to take bath.
अथवा शुद्ध सदाचार ग्रंथ में
So in the Bhari Bhakti Vilas or Shuddha Sadachar Granth, you will find this all kinds of things. After shaving off your hair, you have to take shower, because this after shaving it is impure.
दोनों का स्नान करना जरूरी है। किसने काट दिया, जिसका काटा हुआ, जिसके काटा और जिसने काटा, दोनों जिसका काटा दोनों के स्नान करना।
So both who is shaving his head and whose head is shaved. Okay, who is shaving the head and whose head is shaved, both have to take bath. She said riddle and she said puzzle.
वो हम एक वक्त में और फिर काट करके वो क्या किया है, वो रोटी घर में चली गई, चावल दाल बनाया।
So one
दूसरे से वो व्यक्ति आ गए, वो ब्राह्मण है, तो कहते तुम आगे भी माना देखा था तुम्हें बात में, तुम स्नान किया? बोले नहीं स्नान। बोले कह ऐसी कैसी सब्जी बना, सब्जी घर में कैसे आ गया?
So what happens? There was a one brahmachari. He shaved the hair of some Maharaj. So after that, after shaving his head, what happened? He came to in the kitchen directly, made the rasoi. So some Brahmins came. He said that you took shower after shaving the head of Maharaj. So he said, no, I didn't take. Oh my God, you didn't take the bath. Everything is impure. Now you go, and they have throw everything, the rice, the dal, sabji, whatever he made. Everything is thrown into the vein, into the drain. Oh my God, so much wasting. So this is the mention in the scriptures. When the hair you have in your body, so it is very pure. So when it is separated from the body, it is impious. It is impure.
और इस शरीर से जब आत्मा चली जाती है,
So now take your body. So when soul is inside the body, so you are touching and doing everything. But when the soul is separated from the body, so when you become a dead body, nobody will touch you, and after touching you, everybody has to take bath.
दर्शन करने पर वो पुजारी के लिए कहा गया। किंतु साधारण में
So if pujari, note it down, point should be noted here, if any pujari of any temple, he sees that dead body, then he has to take bath. Not for everyone, okay? Nobody has to take bath after seeing the darshan of dead body. But if pujari sees the body, so he have to take bath. Okay? So if you become pujari, so you have to take bath. Dead body. So when the soul's separated from the body, so that is called dead body. So 1 minute before I did Dandavat Pranam and this and that, I do service, massage, everything, I hugged and do many things. But when the soul is separated from that body, so it becomes that body. So chhada means cow dung. हमारे यहाँ तो नहीं है कुछ भी ऐसा। पुजारी को बता देना। So where somebody dies at home somewhere, so they have to make their home pious by the cow dungs, by the Ganga Jal. So we were respecting, loving that body. Now after that body is separated from the soul, so it is when it becomes a dead body. Oh my God! And that body becomes impious, impure in the same way. So nowadays people are going after wearing suit and something nice dress and going to the shamshan. So every people's have become malich nowadays. All the peoples are becoming westerns because they are not taking bath after going to funeral places. So everybody is following the Sadachar first, then he will be a devotee. Everybody has to follow all these instruction which is given in the scriptures. So after cutting your nails, you have to take you should wash your hands. After cutting your hairs, you have to take complete bath. This is the rules of the scriptures. But people are not hearing nowadays. They are not listening anything. They are doing just they want to do. So Krishna becomes so much astonished, and after thinking for a while, he said, "Your kesh, Radhe, this is your hair." So hearing that, the Sakhis started laughing in this way. In this way, Manjaris and Sakhis and all are giving pleasure to Radha and Krishna. In this way, Sakhis are inspiring to Radha and Krishna for playing many kinds of games. Inside in body, inside your cloth there is hair. So yes, body. So this is simple, that you have your inside your cloth there is a hair, and what is in below the hair? It is your body, it is your skins.
बाल के नीचे त्वक है, त्वक माने चमड़ा है,
Tok means skin.
इतने से तक नहीं।
So this is
लोग
sad,
समझ जाते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं,
and people don't understand what is sad, what is sad, what is sad.
है कि नहीं है? समझ में आ रही कि नहीं?
समझ में आ रहा है? Are you understanding or not? Oh listeners, oh viewers of Facebook, are you understanding?
राधे पढ़ाई लिखाई
If you have any doubts, so please rule it out.
है?
बालों की मोक्ष क्या है? मोक्ष ये कह रहे हैं, मोक्ष
मुक्त
मुक्त होने पर
बद्ध होकर के मुक्त रहता है। ये राधा जी की वो करें,
So,
ये राधा जी
hey Radhe ji,
पूरा बाल जो है।
so your hair you have tied,
जैसे हम किसी की
just like we are choti.
चोटी हम लोग बंद करके रखते
So we
हैं।
used to make the choti, the shikhas,
ये बद्ध है कि नहीं है?
and now it is tying. But when we are going to take shower or take bath, so we have to open this. So this is mukta. So if you not understand this puzzle, so you can ask again. Okay. So that's why being baddha condition, it is liberated.
हैं?
Understand?
और शुद्ध होकर के तमस्ता नहीं होता है।
Understand?
तमोने?
No?
है?
No?
शुद्ध होते हुए भी
So
अवश्य कैसे होगा? जब
So
हम
being-
शरीर से अलग होते हैं।
being pure, it is impious, impure.
यह तो शरीर में जैसे नाखून भी
Just like
ये
nails.
नाखून यदि पानी में हाथ लगा उस जल को आप नाखून के लगा नहीं पाते। इसमें लिखा है ना अर्चन जीविका में, जिसके पुजारी के लिए समझता जो है सेवा अपराध के बारे में लिखा है।
Pujari nails are so big. Your
सेवा
nails तो
अपराध
भैया
के-
अच्छा big है.
है? ये ठाकुर के जलदान के समय कहीं कुंडली की नाखून पानी में लगना नहीं चाहिए।
So if Pujari is offering the water to Thakurji, so his nails shouldn't touch to the water.
उसके बहुत ध्यान देना
So the person who are worshipping Thakurji, so they have to give so much attention. They have to be very careful. Okay.
इसलिए ये समझता प्रहरिका को
So these all puzzles.
रासविलास वनविहार आदि के समय श्री कृष्ण के
So at the time of Ras Vihar, Van Vihar, they are asking these kinds of puzzles and giving pleasure to Shri Krishna.
राधा अपनी सखियों को प्रेरित करती हैं, उनकी राधा से मनोहर बिना आरंभ की शिक्षा प्राप्त कर श्याम सुंदर की हृदय तंत्र को झंकृत करती है। अच्छा, आरती के लिए
चलो भैया, prepare the आरती. Oh भैया,
महाराज का निकला
prepare the आरती. Maharaj ji has come. Now we will do the आरती.
आरती को डाल दो।
Gange Chachumbe. So where is our Kirtan Samrat? Our Kirtan Samrat.
राधा को ये आचार्यगण सिद्धांत देते हैं कि प्रेम रस आसादनमयी सेवा आसक्ति तथा उत्कंठा रसिक के संग से
Samrat means king. Kirtan Samrat means king of Kirtan.
रसिक भक्त संगे रही प्रीति रंगे ब्रजपुरे वसति करिया
जय हो.
रसिक भक्त संग एव
अच्छा चलो, we will discuss about tomorrow. So Gaur Premanande, Hari Hari Bol. Hari Krishna, Jai Jai Shri Radhe. So we have to serve Radha Krishna being under the guidance of Rasik Bhakta. Let the complete bhaiya. Okay, so we will discuss tomorrow. Now we are going to for Tulsi Aarti. So you can come on Hindi page very quickly. Hari Krishna.